right, we're back for more reading and games. Remember my cup game? We played this the other day, and there was something hidden under my cup. Look at that, I got marker all over me. Well, today, there's something new hidden under my cup. And if you did my spelling, you've already met this little creature. This is my cookie frog from Puerto Rico, and he will be hiding under my cup today. And would you like to start with one of them? Okay, I'll move my book back a little bit. Let's see if you guys can follow which cup has the cookie frog in it. All right, where's my cookie frog? Do you know? Is he here? That's where I thought he was. Is he there? No. Is he there? There he is. Hey, little fella. You're a good hider. All right, if you read this book really well with Mrs. Parris, then we will go back and we'll try that game again. So let's pay attention. Let's do really well. Here's our sight words for today. Me, two. This is not the two like number two. And it's not the two that means like I'm going to that place. This two means also, like me too, or I want a donut too, or I want to paint too. This book is called what? Me too. And when we see these sight words, me too, what do? We clap or snap, okay? So I want to hear you clapping, and I want to hear you snapping. That's part of your video, okay? Read the title with me out loud. Ready? Here we go. Me too. Exclamation point means excitement. Let's try again. Me too. See how much nicer that sounds when you use the exclamation point? Read it with me. I'd ride. And the reason that said I was because there's an E on the end. The E is silent, and the I will say its name. I ride. What is he riding? A bike, of course. Me too. Looks like little brother's riding with big brother. Here's a hard one. I won't say anything. Paint. I paint. Me too. They're not painting with paint though. What are they painting with? Jelly. I bet Mom's just totally excited about that. I-D. You don't say the A. It's the second vowel. It doesn't say anything. E says E now. Eed. I read. I bet you know what the next page says. Me too. That was a very easy book, wasn't it? It was easier than most. Let's look at our sight words down here. Ready? Say them. Me too, me too. See if you can say them faster than me. Me too, me too. Did you do a good job? Very good. Don't forget your words. To and me. All right, let me close up my book. And I did promise we'd play again. Let me mix them up. Okay. You know what? You probably forgot already where Koki was. Let me see. Where is Koki? That way you can try to keep your eye on him. There he is. He's in the end one right here. Okay. Let's see if you can remember. All right, where is Koki now? Do you remember? Which one should we start with? Let's start on this end again. Whoop. Nope. Whoop. Nope. That only leaves one, right? Did you get it right? Did you know where he was? He's so cute. He was right there in the end. All right, we have one more book. Here's our sight words. We get. We get. When we see those, we snap or clap. Are you ready? Here's the title of the story. Dinner. In verse. E-R. Dinner. Dinner. The little girl's sitting down to her dinner. We get a what? Crust. We get a crust. We get, oh dear, what's this word? Ch. There's two E's, so it's going to say E, and this E is going to say nothing. Cheese. Cheese. We get cheese. Now wait a minute, they've gotten crust, now they're getting cheese. What do you think they're making? I think I know. We get, oh, here's a long word. Tomatoes. We get tomatoes. Boy, do I love a good tomato. We get onions. I wonder how many of you actually like onions, like this little girl. I bet not many of you like onions. They are very cool vegetable. I do like them. I think they're yummy. We get, here's an interesting word too. Mush. There's a special sound. Ooh. Rooms. Mush. Rooms. That's a big word. Mushrooms. We get mushrooms. Now they have pizza crust and cheese and tomatoes and onions and mushrooms. What do you think they're making? We get sp. There's an E here, so I says I. Spices. We get spices. See, they're reaching up into their cabinet to get spices. Your mom cooks with spices. That's what makes your food so good. We get, see if you can figure out that word without my help. This is going to say E. Pepperoni. I bet you know what they're doing now. With crust and cheese and spices and tomatoes and onions and mushrooms and now pepperoni. Only one thing that they're going to have. I knew it. We get, what's that say? Pizza! Yummy. I wonder how many of you are making pizza at home. We made one last week. Noah helped me make pizza. We just had pepperoni and cheese, but it was very fun to make. It is easy and fun to make a pizza. Let's look at our last words here. See if you can do it faster than me. We get. Try again. We get. Those are your sight words for today. Very good. Now one last try at our game. Here we go. Remember, Coki's in the end. I'm mixing up really good this time. We just really want to know what's going on, don't we, with Mr. Cokie? I had a lot of fun. Make me be. Okay, now we've done all three. Where is Mr. Cokie? Ready? Vote. You think it's this one? This one? Or this one? Let's find out. Ooh, let's start on the same end we've always started on. Nope. Nope. No way. Is he in the end again? He must really like that spot. Do you think he's there? He is. He is, but he's turned with his back towards you. He must be mad at you for all that shaking around. Let's turn him around. Cokie, are you okay? I think you are. Everybody say bye to him. Bye.